Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're actually going to be doing our first review. I actually bought this little tripod here. It's called the Kamisafe. Kamisafe is spelled with a Kamisafe off of Amazon for 16 bucks. Got this little tripod, and it helps me take videos and get pictures and all that kind of stuff. Starting this channel really helped it out a lot. So this thing is really easy to use. I've got my old phone in here, and you can see how it holds the phone. You can adjust the tripod however you want, so it can tilt down, you can tilt it up. It swivels around on the head here, right? So you can do all that, and I'll show you how it comes out of the holder. It actually squeezes the phone on both sides. I have a LG Think, so it's actually about 3¼ inches wide, so it's actually pretty wide, and it holds this, including the cover. So I have like a little protective case on it, and it holds the entire thing. So I think this thing is great. You can actually take these legs, wrap it around a bar, and you can get a nice high video from somewhere else. It even came with a little remote control, which you can hook it up to the phone and hit the remote control to start recording. I don't really need to do that. I have a video editor on this thing already, but I think this thing is completely worth the money. It's exceeded my expectations. I love it. So if you are a major Instagrammer or a really big YouTuber and you don't have your own camera person running around with you, get yourself one of these little Kamisafe tripods. All right? Thanks a lot. If you have any comments or you want to see any special super simple fixes, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, please subscribe, give me a like, and you guys have a great rest of the day. All right, bye.